we have a short recap. Is any one of you can tell me what our lesson yesterday? Yes, Shine? All about the weather. Very good. Our lesson yesterday is all about the different types of weather. I have here a picture. I want you to identify what is the weather in that picture. In the first picture, what the weather is this? Yes, Michelle?
It's sunny.
Very good. It's sunny. In the second picture, yes, Riza?
It's raining.
Very good. It's raining. In the third picture, Joy? Very good. It's cloudy. In the last picture, yes, Bea?
Stormy fall.
Very good. It's stormy. Now we proceed to our second activity. Get one whole sheet of paper and answer this activity. Are you done, class?
Yes, Ma.
Who wants to answer for number 1? Yes, Jenny.
78.
Very good. The temperature on Monday is 78. For number 2, yes, Shine.
Thursday.
What's up, Shine? Yes, Angel.
Friday.
Very good. It's Friday. For number 3, yes, Barikit.
Which day will be the hottest? Monday.
Very good. It's Monday. For number 4, yes, Michelle.
I will wear sandal and short to make me comfortable.
Yes, very good. For number 5, yes, Julie.
If we have planned to go on a big day on Saturday, do you think we will go by anywhere? For me, it's okay to go outside in a cloudy day because it's not hot that day so that my skin are protected in sun.
Very good. Thank you for sharing. Now we proceed to our new topic. Now I will show you the picture. I want you to identify the difference of this picture. What is the difference of this picture? Yes, Jerica.
Yung kay Bante sa picture, yung una po, buhay po yung mga plants and mga grasses. But yung parang picture po is, po, lantala po natin so lang po masyadong plants.
Thank you, Jerica. Who wants to help Jerica? Yes, Valerie.
So in this picture, this side, the weather is red, and then in this side, the weather is red.
Very good, Valerie. This picture shows the wet season and this side shows the dry season. What do you think our lesson today? Yes, Michelle.
I think our lesson today is about climate.
Very good. Our lesson today is about the climate.
When particular activity or event to happen.
Very good.
Season are periodically indicated by changes in temperature and the weather pattern. We have here in the Philippines we have 2 seasons. What the 2 seasons again? Yes, Shiloh.
Dry season and wet season.
Very good. The 2 seasons here in the Philippines is the wet season and the dry season. What do you think? Which month did you experience the dry season? Yes, Shine? Yes, Jerica?
I think it's December to February.
Dry season is starts in December and it ends in May. So in dry season we have 2 types, the hot dry season and the cool dry season. What do you think? Which month did you experience the cool dry season?
December, March to May.
Yes, Jelly.
December to
Very good. Full dry season is experienced from December to February. The air is dry and less rain occurs, but you can feel the blowing of a cold air. January is the coolest month of the year, with an average temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Did you observe na mas malamig ang January?
Yes.
The hot dry season comes from March to May. You can expect temperature to be between 30 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. In the wet season, now we proceed down the wet season. The wet season is the rainy season, occurs from June to November. It's also called the wet season. Monsoon, can you read? Yes, Lisa.
Monsoon in the months from July to September, a seasonal wind that comes from the western Pacific, brings heavy rains to many parts of the Philippines.
Monsoon is the month from July to September. Southwest monsoon or hanging habagat brings rain and attract typhoons that generate more rainfall and even fast-moving winds. Now I will group you into 4. Now you are going to each group have a designated color, and you are going to write down in your observation, ano yung na-observe niyo sa kulay nito, if ito ba ay mas madalas ang tag-ulan, ganon. And you need to write the places na affected nung napunta sa inyong color. Now, count 1 to 4, Michelle.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Ano, Chi?
1,
2, 3, 4.
Now, group 1 will be sitting here, and the group 2 will be sitting here, and the group 3 and the group 4. Now you need to listen to your roommates. Nice.
Yes.
May now sit. Balik. Later, after you done your activity, you need to choose one representative to report your activity in front. Are you done, class? You have 5 minutes left. Are you done, class? Are you done, class?
Yes,
Now, who is the representative for group 1?
this is our activity.
Listen, class.
This is our activity. The top are the kind or the provinces that is given to us are Ilocos Norte, Mindanao, Negros, and Panay. And the climate I experience in these provinces is hot weather. Why hot weather? Because of its location. It is near the ocean, right? And it experiences more hot weather than the other provinces because when Amina strikes, the hot air or the humid coming from the ocean or the sea is parang nakikinig ako sa dito sa mga provinces. Ano, that's why it experiences hot weather.
Thank you, Fourth Taiwan climate. These provinces experience the two tide season, the dry season from November to April, and the wet during the rest of the year. Maximum in rain period is from June to September. Group 2.
So on our group, we assign on the map is the green part of the map, which is the region 5. So here are the region 5. Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Albay, Sorsogon, Masbate, and Catanduanes.
Those places that are mentioned is both experience dry and wet season. Thank you. For type 2 climate, this Petong green is no dry season with a very pronounced maximum rain period from December to February. There is no single dry month. Minimum monthly rainfall occurs during the period from March to May. The affected places is the Catanduanes, Sorsogon, Eastern Albay, Northern Camarines Sur, Camarines Norte, and Eastern Mindoro. Now we proceed to the group 3.
So ito yung napunta sa akin ay red color. So ito yung mga province nila. Yung Aurora, Nueva Ecija, Bulacan, Tarlac, Zambales, Pampanga, Cebu, Negros, Occidental, Bohol, Surigao, Davao, Sigur pala, Sigur, Davao, Compostela, Mali, Davao Oriental, Davao del Sur. So yung climate dito ay hot season. So yung mga affected weather, yung Cagayan, Isabel, Nueva Ecija, Vizcaya pala, Nueva Vizcaya, at mga province. So we observe that province mentioned located at spot that has temperature which is not based on its color.
For type 3 climate, this provinces is not very seasons are not very pronounced, relatively dry from either December to February or March to April. The rest of the year, they experience wet season. And magdadagdag lang ako ng mga affected places. The Cagayan, Isabela, Nueva Vizcaya, Mount Province, Southern Quezon, Masbate, Romblon, Northern Panay, Eastern Negros, Cebu, Northern Mindanao, and Eastern Palawan. Now we proceed to the group 4.
So we are the group one, and the north that was assigned to us is the yellow north area, so which is the Batanes, northeastern Luzon, southeast Luzon, and eastern and Albay. So the climates here are hot dry season. We have observed that the places our places or province that experience dry season.
Thank you, governance. For climate, these provinces, rainfall is more or less evenly distributed throughout the year. Affected places: Batanes, Northern Luzon, Southwestern Camarines Sur, Albay, Eastern Mindoro, Marinduque, Western Leyte, Bohol, Central, Eastern, and Southern Mindanao. Now, in what way does the climate affect us? In what way the climate affect the lives of Filipino? Thank you. Very good, Angelica. Effect on health. Some health problem may be triggered or worse by cold, dry season ailments such as influenza, cold, cough, and asthma. Ano nga ba yung nakukuha natin ano nga ba yung sakit na nakukuha natin kapag mainit? Yes, please. Thank you. Very good. Some health problem during hot dry season is heat stroke, dehydration, and other health problem common during this season are skin diseases, sunburn, and sore eyes. Kaya dapat kapag mainit is lagi kayo uminom ng tubig para hindi kayo mag-dehydrate. June to November is the wet season. Diseases common during this season are dengue and leptospirosis. Now, in what ways does the climate affect the livelihood? Yes, Shine? Very good. People's livelihood are also affected by climate. In Baguio, for instance, most flowers start to bloom during the cold, dry season. This also the time they celebrate flower festival, locally known as Panagbenga. Panagbenga means a season of blooming. During the hot dry season, many people go to beaches to cool themselves. Resorts and hotels also have the craft businesses become profitable during these days. Kung ano yun na nakapag-swimming na this summer. Yes, Joyce. Saan kayo nag-swimming?
Sa Moro.
Did you buy something for swimming?
Yes. Like sunblock. Sunscreen.
Now we proceed to our activity. You will choose your partner, and this activity is called the Think Pair Share. Can you read the instruction?
Think there.
Think Pair Share.
We think, prepare, we share.
Fill the table below with the different activities that are appropriate during dry and wet seasons.